Congress is back Wednesday after a short New Year's Day break, with no signs of a workable plan to end a 12-day-old partial government shutdown.
The only way you're going to do it is to have a physical barrier, meaning a wall.
President Donald Trump, who's not budging on his demand for $5 billion in border wall funding, has invited top Democratic and Republican leaders in Congress to the White House Wednesday for what sources say is a border security briefing. Meanwhile, Democrats have their own plan to reopen the government, readying a two-part spending package for a vote Thursday when they take over the House. But the prospect of that spending package being passed by the Republican-led Senate is uncertain. The impasse would set the stage for the first major battle of the new Congress between House Democrats led by Nancy Pelosi and Republican Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. The Democrats' funding bill includes $1.3 billion for border fencing and $300 million for other border security items, including technology and cameras, but does not give Trump what he wants for the wall.
The crisis of security at our southern border is real.
McConnell has said Senate Republicans will not approve a spending measure that Trump does not support.